What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. Luna Classic has been moving, man. I got to say. So in this video, what we'll be doing is we'll be going over the price, obviously, but also some of the things that happened yesterday, such as the Binance burn and big UST or USDC, we should say, news about it being repacked with Luna Classic and the whole proposal around it. For now, though, you can see that we have dropped down a little bit. Yesterday, we were pretty bullish. We're kind of like, if you take the price over a week, we're kind of stable. Volume has gone up by 77%, which is a great thing, and you all know why. That means we're burning more Luna Classic, and that's also immediately reflected in the burns. As you can see, yesterday we burned through 240 million. That's nice. I mean, burn tax right now, it's not impressively high, but it is great, I think. I'm actually pretty bullish on that burn tax, even though like the average over the last week has been, let's say, 170, 180. I still think that's great. Apart from that, you can see that Binance, what I kind of predicted was between 2 and 3 billion that it would be burned. I think it was 3 billion exactly, a little bit less maybe. So now we have in total already burned through 18 billion. Over the last month, we've burned through, let's say like 14 billion. So definitely great, and there's more to come. So definitely reasons to be bullish. That's also what we saw right here. Apart from that, I'm not sure what I think about the USDC repegging yet. I'm really not sure, because the whole proposal I read about also included some more burn taxes for Luna Classic, which would be really bullish, and I think that's one of the reasons why we are pretty bullish right now. But I'm just not sure what to think about it yet. So let me know what you think about it, because what the whole mechanism was between UST and Luna was that if UST dropped in price, that more Luna would be minted, right? And right now we're trying really hard to burn through all of that Luna Classic supply, and if mechanisms like that are coming into place, it gets very dangerous. It gets dangerous like that. But I'm not sure if it will be brought back together like that again. I'm not sure about that yet, and I couldn't really understand that from a proposal. So let me know if you know more about that. I'd love to know your opinion on that too. For now, though, it seems that yesterday we let's get over to the price. Yesterday it seemed like that after the Binance burn, buy the rumor, sell the news, we dropped down. Pretty big drop, and today it seems like we're bullish because of that USDC repegging news. To me, I wanted to zoom out a little bit in this price analysis, all right? Because we've always been analyzing on the 1 hour time frame, and what that causes is that definitely over the last 2 days, there's a lot of volatility. We had bullish breakouts, we had bearish breakouts all over the map. As you can see, you can clearly see that the levels we've been using are very well respected. Those levels are 27,000. That's what I call prices like that. 28,000, or like this between 28 and 29,000, 30,000 and 31,500. Those are the 4 most important levels right now. And what I practically think is going to happen, I mean, right now it looks quite likely that will break above 29,000, and that will probably find resistance at 30,000. All right, and then if we can actually stay on top of 29,000 and more information comes out about the USDC proposal, we could even get to 31,000. But if we zoom out, the things we really need to worry about more on the long term, that's what I wanted to look at in this video. Also because Luna Classic has become increasingly hard to predict. What we do is we do technical analysis, right? So we depend on technical indicators. And if you get news left and right and sentimental things, like the sentiment of the community is a big thing to worry about when analyzing Luna Classic, and it's almost impossible to do that on smaller time frames. So just in general, what's happening right now is we're stuck between 2 major resistance levels, right? Between 31,500 and between 27,000. That's practically over the long term the only thing you need to know, because what's going to happen in the probably next 2 weeks is we're either going to get a bullish breakout out of 31,500, which would probably be caused by bullish news, and we're going to have another rally up to 36, and depending on the news also up to 40. Excuse me. or we're going to have more bearish fundamentals, or Luna Classic will die out a little bit, then we would drop down below this, let's say 26,500 level, drop down to 24, 25,000, and then recovering will be very hard. I'm just going to say that. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll keep making these daily updates, but recovering will be pretty hard. So this is practically over. If you're not invested in it every day, this is what you need to know. 31,500 and 26,500. Those are the levels you need to know about. Until that time, it's just bullish news, bearish news, all mixed up together, and hard to analyze, I must say, and believe me, I've been trying every day. So tomorrow I will be back with, I'll try to make, kind of depending on the market circumstances, I'll try to make a more short-term analysis. But for now, I kind of wanted to zoom out with you. So let me know what you thought about that, and if you found this video valuable, consider subscribing. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and obviously want to wish you a great day. Bye.